We are a trusted leader in cable assembly and wiring harness manufacturing with over 20 years of experience and certifications like ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive, aerospace, and machine vision, we design custom solutions built for performance and reliability. Our range includes LVDS EDP micro coaxial, FFC waterproof and molded cables using premium connectors from brands like Molex, JST, Tyco and Amphenol, with options from 20 to 60 pins, fine pitch designs, down to 0.25 mm and micro wires, thin as 48 AWG. We can meet even the most demanding specs. Reach out today and discover how our expertise can power your success. We are a trusted leader in cable assembly.